Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Nur Shakira Naliakin binti Muslim and I am going to introduce my team member. Favitra binti Loganathan, Asmida binti Kamari, Nornisha Nashuha binti Hairul and Ashura Maisura binti Adi Azham. We would like to present on group understanding people based on Mars model of behavior. We interview people in a different ranking beginning with Mr. Muhammad Shukri bin Zainul, which currently work at the Ministry of Education as Chief Assistant Director. Mr. Shukri, who is 44 years old, is the one of the highest ranking in the company. So, his opinion are very important for our study. Next, we had an interview with Mrs. Karya Nana, a 38 years old who worked at University Hostel as an assistant hostel supervisor. Although she had a lower ranking, she also provided an important contribution to our research with her perspective opinion. We will analyze the interview question using Mars model of individual behavior.
In this part, I will present the similarity of the interview. Firstly, motivation. Both individuals draw the motivation from the essence of their role. Second, both individuals share the common appreciation for continuous learning. And the last one, both individuals underscore the imperative of actively learning, addressing challenges. The differences in motivation between these two responders is the first responder is engaged in tasks that hold a purpose contribute to a large goal, while the second responder focuses a center on ensuring the safety of students in hostel.
So now I will talk about ability for similarity and differences. For Mr. Muhammad Shukri, approach to goal achievement is impacted by his government work, and Mr. Muhammad Shukri is able to define clear and achievable goal. Now for Ms. Karya Nana, approach to goal achievement is impacted by her experience in hotel industry, and Ms. Karya Nana is able to handle problem swiftly and efficiently. Next, Ms. Karya Nana is able to give exceptional customer service. And now for differences. Mr. Muhammad Shukri is careful progress monitoring ensure that the ministry efforts remain on course, and Mr. Muhammad Shukri allow for strategic adjustment in reaction to consistently changing governmental landscape. For Ms. Karya Nana's strategy with the expectation of the hospitality industry, and last but not least, ability to fix difficulties quickly and efficiency stem from her experience in emergency response.
Next, role perception. The similarity on both ranking express contentment and fulfillment in their respective role within their organization, while the dynamic of role perception in an organizational setting differ among people in various positions. The highest ranking find fulfillment in a work environment that is encouraging and provide opportunities for professional development. This contribute to developing a good behavior profile and collaborative communication style that are supported by the corporate culture. On the other hand, the lower ranking takes satisfaction in challenging gender norm and common assumption, which shape their personality via resiliency and tenacity in the face of gender-related difficulties. Even if both ranking are happy in their job, the reason for their happiness and how that affect their personalities show the complex interaction between social norm and organizational dynamics.
Next, I will explain about situational factors. Both of the highest and lowest rank have similar approach to handle the disagreement between the teammates. They try to communicate and sharing their point of view during the meeting. The differences about these two ranks is they have different effect due to the pandemic. The highest affected more on how their workplace have protocol, while the lowest rank are affected more on the income.
For the similarities in what inspires and skills, for the motivation, both Ms. Karya Nana and Mr. Muhammad Shukri are inspired by big goals, solving problems and always learning. They also like talking action and being ready for whatever comes their way. Furthermore, for the ability, even though they work in different areas, both are really good at what they do. Mr. Muhammad Shukri is good at planning for the future, especially in the government, while Miss Kriyanana is great at solving hands-on problems, which is important in the hospitality industry. Furthermore, for the similarities for role perception, the person in higher position likes a good work environment and always learn new things, and the person with a lower rank feels happy by doing things that are not expected, breaking stereotypes and finding different ways to feel satisfied in the organization. For the situational factors, both parties, no matter their position, handle their feelings in meetings in a similar way. They both think that by talking and discussing things, they can fix problems in the organization and make things better. For the differences on the reflection of individual behavior on mass model, for the motivation, Mr. Shukri focuses on education policies, and Ms. Kriyanana concentrates on keeping students safe in hotels. Furthermore, for the ability, Mr. Shukri plans and keeps track of progress as expected by the government, and Ms. Kriyanana quickly solves problems crucial in the hotel industry for good customer service. Moreover, for the role perception, the higher ranking person is happy because a good work environment, and the lower ranking person is also happy because they challenge stereotypes. For the situational factors, the pandemic affects them differently, so the lower rank worries more about money, and the higher rank is more concerned about how the pandemic changes on how the company works. In conclusion, the analysis of individual behaviors within organizational contexts, guided by the Mars model, reveals shared attributes and unique qualities in the comparison of Ms. Kriyanana and Mr. Muhammad Shukri bin Zainul. This underscores the leadership's role in navigating individual dynamics for collective success by fostering a workplace that values both commonalities and distinctions. That's all from us. Thank you.